Okay, so this problem is still unit rates. So we're just going to talk about these things. One tank is filling at a rate of 3/4 gallon per 2/3 minute, and a second tank is filling at a rate of 5/8 gallon per 1/2 minute. Which tank is filling faster? Now we need to make the connection that it kind of has to do with when we compare to find the better buy. We're going to find the better rate. So we have to compare the two things, okay? So let's get tank number one. Actually, maybe I'll get that a little higher. I apologize. So that I have some room to work with, okay? Tank number one. And I have to think about it because I'm still wanting to find the unit rate of one, right? And they're telling me gallon per minute. So tank number one is still gallon per minute. I'm going to fill in my information, 3/4 divided by 2/3. And I'll end up solving that. But I want to do my other one before I forget. So tank number two is also given in gallons per minute. But it has a different rate. So it is 5/8 per 1/2. So 5/8 per 1/2. And I put my division. Okay. So now that I've got it set it up, I feel a little better. And I can just now straight up multiply. Normal, or actually it's divide, but I have to divide these fractions. And to divide these fractions, it's 3/4, keep, change to multiply, and flip to the reciprocal. Multiply across the top. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. So that's like 1 1/8, right? So it's 1 1/8 gallon per minute. Okay. Now let's do the other one and see if it's easy to compare. So I keep the 5/8, I change to multiply, and I flip to the reciprocal. So 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 1 is 8, which will turn into 1 2/8. And I could reduce that to 1 1/4, but what I'm noticing is, let me get I love my computer, you all. It is see? It loves me. It does it, but I'm trying to make it love me. So what I'm noticing is that this is 1 1/8. Well, this is 1 2/8. So which one gets bigger first? Well, the 1 2/8, right? So that kind of makes sense. So this one is at 1 2/8 gallon per minute. Okay, so that is tank number 2. We figured it out. Good job. Let's see if I can get this thing to turn off when I want it to.